Hi class. So after your Gawa and Raya holidays, then we're going to proceed with a new chapter here, chapter 8, bearing. Okay, what is a bearing? Okay. You see a map here, and then there's a compass like that, and then there's a compass here. Today, this week, we are going to learn how do we look at the compass. You see all this numbering? They're all degree, right? So we're going to learn bearing. Please prepare one pen or pencil, ruler, protractor. Remember, do you have if you have protractor at home, you will need this. You need calculator and also print out notes. The notes that I give you, you have to print it out and then do it because we're going to discuss about the questions. Right? Okay, first of all, this is a compass that we always see in the TV, but we seldom get hold of it, right? So, yeah. So first thing we have to learn on the direction. We know north is always facing top, right? Facing to the top, north here. So how about this one? North is EAST, south, and this part is your west. Okay. Then between north and east, what do we call it, the direction? Northwest, between north and west, we say it is our northwest. Then between north and east, it is our northeast. You write in full, yeah? Then between east and south, we say it is our southeast. Our location in Malaysia is on the southeast location of the world map. Then this part will be your southwest. So besides learning all these names, you have to know the angle also. Angle, compass angle. So pointing towards north, it is our 0 degree. Okay, sudut dia. Then how about our east? We know this is 90 degree, right? So east in our compass, it will point toward 90 degree. Then our south would be 180 degree. Then our west would be 270 degree. Then how about the north? It is 0 or 360 degree. Okay, so write it down inside your notes too. Okay, compass angle, or we say bearing. Compass angle, the angle inside the compass, or we say it is our bearing here. So what is it? The compass angle and the bearing of any direction is measured from the north. We always start to measure from north, and then we must always rotate in a clockwise rotation here, clockwise. Written in 3 digits, the bearing that you see, it will always be in 3 digits, even though it's 0 degree or maybe 15 degree. If it is a 15 degree angle, you will see a 0, 1, 5 until 360. Let us see example 1. Set the bearing of B from A. This is what the question wants. They want you to find the angle of your B from A. Keyword is always look from where. You have to find the angle from where, from A, right? So look at 1A here. A is here. Okay. From this point, always draw your north line. For this question, it's already drawn for you. North is pointing up. B, how about your B? Where's B? B is here. Okay. B is this location. So they're asking you about the compass angle, or we say is a bearing. So when you look at the compass, when you stand at A and then you point towards your north, where is your B? Which side? Imagine you are standing at A. Which side of the direction you should go to reach point B? Okay, so they will tell you, okay, when your compass is pointing towards north, you have to go to the 40 degree angle. You have to walk here so that you reach your B, right? So what is the bearing? is already given to you. It is a 40. So this is 0 for 0 degree. Okay? Cannot write 40 only. It must be 3 digits. Continue. B. Same. Let's say you are from A. You are standing here. You want to go to B. So which direction, what angle you should go to? You should walk to. First of all, you have to look for your north line. North line is pointing towards up here. So from north line, you are going to calculate how is the angle to point B. Or the angle is 124. It's already given to you 124 degree. Okay. Continue. C. Okay, you are still at A. You want to go to B. So which direction you should? What is the bearing? Remember, yeah, this might not be necessarily the answer because you always remember from your north line, you have to measure in a clockwise rotation. So from your north line, you have to measure clockwise. Clockwise is like this, right? It's not like this, huh? So you start from here, 0 degree, then you turn one cycle here. Turn. This is the bearing that you have to find. But how do you find? Remember, this is what? This is a degree. This is a, call this minute. So remember how do you key inside your calculator? To find this, we take 360. I write the answer down here. 360 degree minus 132 degree 45 minute. How do you press this inside your calculator? Do you remember? In your calculator, yeah, look for this. Look for this button here. This button looks like this. There's a full stop, then 3 comma. 3 comma. How do you press? So first of all, I'm going to teach you 360. You press it down minus 132 degree. Press this button. That button that I show you. 132 degree, then 45 minute. Still the same button. You have to press it. Still the same button. So you get a answer is a 227.25, right? But just now, I already told you, you must write in 3 digit, kan? But if this is the case, you have decimal here, what should you do? You only take 1 decimal place, remember, yeah? So when I round it up to 5, become 3 degree here. Round up to 1 decimal place. Okay. After this, we in page 2, there are 6 questions from exercise 1. I'm going to go through only 3 of them. Set the bearing of point A from point B. Keyword is here. From point B, meaning that you are standing at point B now. You are standing here. Then you want to walk towards A. So what direction? What angle should you head forward? First of all, from point B, you have to draw your north line. You have to know where is your north. This is your north. So from north, you have to start to draw the angle. It's given to you is 65 towards your A, right? Bearing is 0, 6, 5 degree. Next one, bearing A from B again. Oh, got 2B here. This is a typing error. Erase this. B is here. You are here. You want to walk to A. Okay. What is the bearing? So from point A, you must know, look at your compass, you must know where is your north. North is here. So from north, you are going to measure what is the angle. You have to measure in clockwise rotation. Yeah, this is the angle. It's not given to you, but they gave you 30 here. How do you do? One straight line is 180. 180 minus the 30, you get this angle, which is 150 degree. Okay. Last one, I skip to E. We know this is 90 degree. What is the bearing? Is the bearing 90 degree? We have to see properly. Okay. They say still the same from B, right? Means you are standing here. You want to walk to A. Cannot say I'm going to walk 90 degree to A. No, it's not 90 degree. You have to start measure from north again. North in a clockwise rotation. This is the bearing. What is this angle then? 360, one cycle minus 90, you get 270. Right? Next one. Then this question, they are asking you to draw a diagram to show the direction. So for A, yeah, they say bearing of B from A, keyword is here, is 60 degree. So they give you the bearing, they ask you to draw the diagram. How does it look like? Keyword, okay, look here. Hint is given to you. Keyword, you always look for from where. And then, after you found out it's from A, you have to draw the north line for A. Okay? So imagine here, if let's say you are standing here, this is your A. Okay? From this standing point, you have to know your north. This is your north line. And then your bearing of B. Where is it? They tell you it's 60 degrees. So now you have to make use of your protractor. Now, so how do you play around with it? Yes, keep. Okay. So this is your projector. I'm going to move it. You have to measure 60 degree, right? Okay, your point A is the center, and then this is 0 degree. Then you're going to find 60. 0 to 60 is here. So you put a dot here, you use pencil or pen, then you draw the line. Draw this line. So you draw this line. We know this is our B. B can be any length, as long as it's at this direction. You can draw a shorter line here, you write B here, or a long line here, B is here. They didn't ask you about the distance, they also ask you about the angle. This is 60 degree, huh? Okay, the next one, B, bearing of P from Q now. Okay, so from this Q is from Q. Okay, I draw Q here. And then from this line, I need to know where is my north. North is here. Then what do you do? 200. One straight line, one compass is only 180. So what do you do? We know one straight line is 180. So you have to add how much more degree here? 20 degree here, isn't it? Yes. Okay, so I'm going to move this around. This is 180, but they want 200, right? You turn your compass around. You add on another 20. 20 is here. Okay. So I'm going to draw 20 is here. Okay. 20. Okay. This angle would be 20. Not 20, sorry. Total is 200 here. Then you label this as Q. No, label as P. Okay. So see, you try it out yourself. Then proceed to the next one. Okay. Same thing, draw the bearing of P from Q. So now we are going to try 300 here. So keyword is from where? From this Q. You're going to draw Q first. Q is here. Then from where you stand, you have to identify your north line. North is pointing up. North. So 300 should be somewhere where? Oops. It should be go around from north line, turn clockwise, somewhere here. Passing the 270, passing your west line, and then must be before 360 here. So what should you do? You can label, you can do it, you can take 360 minus 300. You find 60 degree here, 60 degree here using your compass, then you draw your line. This is 60 degree, this would be your P, and this would be your 300. Okay?